Yo, it's Jabbar with a video. If you want to pack on more size, then bulking is the way to go. That's why in this video, I'm going to explain bulking so you can do it right to get bigger and add on muscle. Let's get to the video. So what is bulking? Bulking is when you enter a calorie surplus, and a calorie surplus is where you consume more calories than you are going to burn. This technique is used by many people. Why, you may ask? Well, because this actually works. So are you ready to start bulking? Bulking isn't a way to maintain your current weight. It's going to add weight to your body in the form of both muscle and fat. If you don't want to gain fat, you might not want to do a bulk. But if you don't mind gaining a little bit of fat, then you should do a bulk. And if you're really skinny, which the skinny people are usually called ectomorphs, you should really consider bulking. So when should you bulk? I recommend you start bulking when you're at 10% to 15% body fat. I believe you should start bulking at 10% body fat as a male and 15% body fat as a female, due to you being lean enough. Now, if you're above 30% body fat, you've been bulking a little too much. If you are over this body fat percentage, you are considered obese. And if you want to lose all that weight, you're going to want to enter a calorie deficit. Go and watch this video right here to learn more about calorie deficits. Now, if you can't find your body fat percentage, you can use an online body fat calculator that usually calculates your BMI, body mass index, but that's not the most accurate way to find out your body fat percentage. The most accurate way to find out your body fat percentage is actually going to take a MRI scan. If you calculate it on a BMI calculator, you'll find out kind of what body fat percentage you currently have. So you'll have a range that you can have in your head. Now, the real reason you clicked on this video, how to actually bulk. When bulking, you can't forget about training. You want to train at least 3 to 5 times a week, and you want to train each muscle twice a week. So for example, I train 2 muscles in one workout session. So on Mondays, I train back and legs, and then I'm going to do that again on Thursday. That will help me train at least twice a week. If I don't train twice a week, it's my core, but the other muscles I train. You also want to train each muscle with 2 to 4 sets of 6 to 12 reps. It's different for your legs. If you're training your legs, you can do about 15 reps because your legs can handle a lot more volume and intensity than, say, your biceps. Your lower body specifically is a big muscle group, so therefore it can handle a lot more load. Now let's talking about training, and let's talk more about the bulk itself. I recommend increasing your calorie intake, which is called a calorie surplus, like we talked about at the beginning of this video. And a calorie surplus is what I said, is eating more calories than you're burning. So this is the amount of calories you're eating, and this is the amount of calories you're burning. You want to burn less calories than you have been eating. And you specifically want to increase your maintenance calories by 250 to 500 calories. The bulking I recommend is clean bulking, so you don't add much fat to your frame. And you can't forget about the most important thing to gain muscle, and that is protein.